System.io review, pricing, and product features. System.io, the all-in-one marketing tool. In this day and age of businesses that seemingly become overnight successes and then disappear almost as quickly, and the never-ending changing of trends, it is important that business owners or educators, or those who are looking into turning passion projects into stable brands, to use every tool at their disposal to ensure a stable and successful enterprise. It is, however, critical to take into consideration these factors of obtaining and utilizing the many number of marketing tools available: cost, accessibility, and ease of use. To achieve the goals you've set for your business or brand, one must ensure that resources are used to their fullest potential. One way to do this is to use a multifunctional online marketing platform that provides all the marketing and promotion help that a business needs to perform optimally. System.io, the solution. Introducing System.io, a one-stop, web-based software that caters to every aspect of your business needs, from marketing to management, by utilizing a wide range of functions in an easily accessible environment. Basically, System.io has the majority of answers to your business' every need, and they do this by constantly and continuously researching and developing solutions as new challenges and requirements arise. The benefits of System.io. There are so many advantages in using System.io. One such advantage is that it allows their users access to marketing and managing tools, regardless of their level of knowledge. Whether you're a seasoned, tech-savvy user or a tech newbie, System.io's 24/7 support gives you all the assistance you require in real time. Moreover, System.io's user interface is designed to be as accessible and easily utilized, to ensure that users can confidently manage their tools. Another advantage of using System.io, and perhaps its most important one, is the flawless automation it offers its users. This dynamic feature is possible because every function is within one environment. The cost. Additionally, if you're looking to try out System.io's features, they offer a 14-day free trial, which will allow you to familiarize yourself with the program's general environment, and introduce you further to most of its tools and its functions. Most of System.io's current users made use of the free trial, which helped them make the transition from using separate marketing tools into reaping the benefits of utilizing System.io's multifunctional program. Not only that, but System.io also offers a 14-day money-back guarantee. That is how confident System.io is with its program features. System.io also lets their users create robust, dynamic blogs that could target potential customers or students in search of your particular brand, product, or course. Designing these blogs with System.io is truly straightforward and therefore uncomplicated. Moreover, with System.io, you could also create affiliate programs that would allow you to offer different products other than their own and further boost profits. Email campaigns are also made effortless and manageable, which gives you an added ability to send out client-specific announcements, invitations, and offers. Overall, System.io should be a service that is worth subscribing to. The very real benefits that this service offers is what sets it apart from its counterparts and competitors. System.io alternatives. 1. Kartra. Kartra has the tools for both front-end and back-end that promises to, in a nutshell, make things easier for its subscribers in boosting product performance and ultimately the entirety of operations. 2. ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels lets all businesses from different e-commerce spectrums to use their multifunctional platform to effectively create sales funnels that employ email automation third-party marketing processes, and other marketing methods to convert leads into sales. Thank you for watching. Click the link below to learn more about System.io. Please like, share and subscribe.